Write a program to read from a text file and count the number of words in it. So hash include fstream.h header file. Then this is the beginning of our main function. So first we'll declare a variable that will point to our file to be opened. So if stream fin, okay, then we'll open our required file, fin.open source.txt. Okay, then char word 50. This is a word will be a character array of length 50. So it will take a word from the file. Int count equal to 0. Count is an integer value that will be used to count the number of words in our text file. So while not fin dot uf, that is, this loop will run until we reach the end of the file. Then fin word. This will be through this we'll get a word from the file and store it in a array word. Count plus plus, and we'll increment our variable count with 1. This is same as count equal to count plus 1. Okay, so count plus plus means same as count equal to count plus 1 plus 1. Then we'll print this cout. See, when we come out of this loop, our count variable will indicate the number of words in our file. So we'll print that cout number of words equal to count. Okay, then we'll close our file, fin.close, and then we'll return 0. Yes. So write a program to copy the contents of one file to another file. Okay. So hash include fstream.h int main. This is the for the beginning of our program. So first we'll open that file from which we have to copy the contents, and then create another file in which we have to copy the contents. So if stream fn, this is for this from this file we have to read. So we have used if stream file stream fin.open this will open source.txt file. then off stream f out dot open sample dot txt. So this f out we have declared a variable of type of stream variable, because we have to write in the file sample.txt. So while not fin dot eof, so until we reach the end of file of source.txt, this loop will run. Fin dot get ch, it will read this will be fin dot get ch. So it will read from the file character wise and store it in char variable ch. Sorry, we forgot to declare that variable, so let's declare it over here, char ch. Okay, then f out, then it will write in the and then it will write that character in the file sample.txt pointed by variable f out. So then we'll close both the files. Return 0. So this is our complete program to copy the contents from one file to another file. Explain the meaning of following file mode parameters. A, iOS, this app. So this mode will append to the end of file. Okay. This iOS binary, this will open file in binary mode. iOS in, this will open file for reading only. iOS out, this will open file for writing only. Explain the return type and meaning of following error handling functions. First, EOF, second, fail. EOF is end of file function. It returns true or some non-zero value when end of file is reached. File is reached. Returns false, otherwise returns false, that is 0 value. This fail function returns true when certain input or output operations have failed. Output operations have failed.